Fruits of Niyama Shochat Swadajugupsa Pararsansiga. Through the practice of purification, an aversion develops toward one's own body, which extends to avoiding contact with other bodies. When jugupsa, disgust, toward one's own body arises, the yogam practicing purification perceives its imperfections and loses attachment to it. Furthermore, a distaste for social interaction emerges. One who realizes that the body cannot be entirely cleansed, even though ablution, finds it undesirable to come into contact with another person's unclean body. Sattva-shuddhi somanasya kagriyendriya jayatmadarshan yogyatavani cha. Purification of the mind, pleasantness of feeling, one-pointed concentration, mastery over the senses, and the ability for self-realization are attained. A yogam practicing cleanliness experiences purification of the heart, leading to mental bliss or a spontaneous feeling of joy. From this bliss arises unwavering focus, which in turn enables mastery over the senses. Through Indriyajay, control over the senses, Buddhi, pure I, consciousness, develops the power to realize the self, Atmadarshan. All these qualities are achieved through the establishment of purification. Santoshad Nutsuk Labha. Through contentment, one attains unparalleled happiness. Kayendriya Siddhir Shuddhikshyat Tapasa. Through the destruction of impurities, the practice of austerities leads to the perfection of the body and senses. When tapas is practiced, the veil of impurity is lifted, allowing the body to attain extraordinary abilities, siddhi of kai, such as anima, garima, etc. Similarly, the senses, siddhi of indriya, develop enhanced capabilities, including clairaudience and clairvoyance. Swadhyayad Ishtdevtasam Prayoga. Through the study and repetition of mantras, communion with the desired deity is established. Heavenly beings, deva, sages, rishi, and perfected ones, siddha, become visible to the yogam who diligently practices svadhyaya, self-study. Through this connection, the yogam's wishes are fulfilled by these divine entities. Samadhi Siddhirishwar Pranidhanat. Through devotion to God, samadhi is attained. A yogam who surrenders all thoughts to the divine achieves deep absorption in samadhi.